Hi everyone, my name is Shivvats. Currently I'm working at ITC Infotech. I have cleared various interviews like Deloitte, EY and some small companies. So today I'm going to create a course over SQL. So what I've learned from my journey, I'm going to share it here. So I will discuss the topics that will I'm going to teach it here on the YouTube channel. So I'm going to create a one playlist of it, so you can refer it for your future preparation for DP 203 and DP 900 and various interview that you can face it for the Azure Data Engineer or any other cloud engineering services. So first I'm going to take up that basic level of coding questions and basic level of topics that is required for the SQL. So first is beginner level SQL, in which we're going to start it with the introduction. So what is SQL? So that SQL is a kind of you can say that bread butter for each and every interview. So in every interview you used to ask various questions regarding this. So first we're going to take up with that what is SQL, exactly what it is, why we are learning this SQL, and in the next one we're going to give you the difference between the SQL and T-SQL. So we have a different SQL services like Microsoft SQL Server, Oracle PL SQL, IBM DB2 and many more that exist in the market like SQLite or something else. So that we're going to discuss it here. What is the code difference between it? So what are the various tools required to code that SQL? I'm going to share it like in Microsoft SQL. So we're going to install that Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio and Azure SQL Studio, which is hosted over the cloud. So we're going to discuss the both of them. Next will be the topic regarding the database basics. So what are the basics required to learn that SQL, like tables and data types and the understanding of RDBMS. I hope everybody have learned this kind of chapter in their bachelor studies or any studies that they have gone for. So next one is the creating and dropping table in the databases. So that we're going to discuss in the next topic. So after that we're going to understand that what are the primary keys and what is the foreign keys constraints and these all things. So just remove the anomalies, normalization to enhance the level of database. So we're going to discuss it. After that we'll discuss that various basic queries like how to select some of the records, how to filter it, how to sort it, how to get that distinct result set here. So this we're going to discuss it here. Next one we have is basics of joins. In that we used to combine the two tables records into a single result set. So that will be going to discuss it. Introduction to join, inner join, left join, right join, full join and self join and various type of interview questions that is asked in the question. So next one is the basic fundamentals, that aggregate function, count, sum, average, min, max and some scalar function that is upper, lower and get date. So these functions are used in the various process. So I'm going to discuss it that as well. How can we use that this kind of aggregative and scalar function in real life. So next one is data manipulation. So basics of data manipulation, how to insert the record, update, delete and these kind of things. After that using output clause with DML statement. So how to use it, what are the real world example of it. Next one is scalar versus table subqueries and introduction to subqueries. These all topic we're going to take up in this. So I'm going to share my interview experience. What are the interview experience that I have at Deloitte and some small scale of companies and the EY JDS. So some basic types of interview question we're going to ask it in each and every interview, I believe. So what have I faced in my journey in the interview level, I'm going to share it with you. Hope this will going to really help you in your interview journey. I hope you like it and please support me over this course. And if you have any doubt and think you want to discuss it, you can ping me on the chat and we can discuss it further. So I hope I have covered the most of it, and if you think any specific topic that is needed to discuss it here, so we can discuss it. Till then, bye bye.